control going from 31 knots to about 43, so inland in a very short area as well. And if you keep your eye on the Islander there, you can see how manoeuvrable this aircraft is. Not only is it a STOL, which is a short takeoff and landing type aircraft, but it's very manoeuvrable and can carry, as I said, a very good load. At the moment you're seeing it operating at a low load weight, so its performance has improved dramatically.
Thank you.